Every Monday, Janice Ewing and a few members of the Empire Quilt Guild meet around her dining room table in Yonkers, New York to make quilts. Now, it's as much of a learning experience and social event for the ladies as it is coming together to help a stranger in crisis and make for good.
We donate the quilts to various people that need them, whether it be in a nursing home or a veterans home, hospitals, battered women's shelter, because I know that there's a need for them. When they have a dark time, they can just wrap that quilt around them and just know that somebody cared enough to make that quilt for them.
You're surrounded by warmth and comfort, and thoughts of somebody else has kept you in mind and tried to bring you a little cheer that maybe was missing in your life.
The joy of sharing is just incredible. You don't really know who's going to get them, and it doesn't make any difference because it's warm, it's cozy, it's comfort, and the people that we at Empire Quilters give to are in need.
Janice and the members of the Guild make about 26 quilts a month to give away, providing a quilter's embrace to those who are less fortunate.
When a person in crisis needs to have validation and needs to have a hug, and a quilt is a nice warm hug that they have with them when they have nobody else to hug them.
This idea of an embrace is just astounding. Whether they accept the design for what it is immaterial. It's the comfort factor.
The handmade quilts represent hope, love, and kindness, showing that there truly is goodness in the world.
When I deliver the quilts, I feel good. The fact that these women have suffered and are now recovering from their abuse, I can just do something to alleviate some of that pain and stress.
It's of the spirit to give and making for good.
For 8 years, these women have been making for good and donating quilts to the Freedom House, a local women's shelter.
Hi Janice, how are you? Oh my God.
Freedom House is a domestic violence shelter for people who are experiencing violence in their home. Janice has been delivering quilts for quite some time. She'll give us a call and say, do we have new families? Do we need more quilts? What else do we need? And yeah, we tell her come on over whenever she possibly can. We can always use quilts.
When the women living at Freedom House wrap themselves in these quilts, they're wrapping themselves with security and love anytime they want.
Once I walked through the doors and it was so bright and the people at the front desk were so warm and welcoming, it was an instant weight that was lifted, and just you instantly feel better.
What they're doing, they'll never know. They will never know how much it means to the folks that we serve here and to those people that receives it.
When you get here and they give you all these wonderful things, the quilt, they give you dishes and pots and pans, it's just like, is this for me? Do I get to keep these things? And they're like, yeah.
Being of service her entire life, Janice sees the whole process as an avocation. So she'll happily make quilts with no recognition or reward, because that's what it means to make for good, after all.
It just reminds me that someone put hours of love and detail into something to give to me. So that just automatically means that I'm worth hours of love and detail, in case I ever forget.